Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate data export and deletion with DeleteMe, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate data export and deletion with DeleteMe, begin by visiting the DeleteMe website. Log into your existing account or create a new account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Data Export option in the main menu. Click on the Data Export section to access your data management options. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the data export process. You may need to verify your identity via email or text for security reasons. After verification, select the types of data you wish to export. Once you've made your selections, click on the Export button to begin the process. The system will begin compiling your data and notify you when the export is complete. You will receive an email with a link to download your exported data. Next, return to the main dashboard to initiate the data deletion process. Locate the Data Deletion option within the menu. Click on Data Deletion to access the relevant settings. Read through the provided information carefully to understand the implications of deleting your data. When ready, select the specific data entries you wish to delete. Confirm your selections by clicking the Delete button. You may also need to verify your identity again for this step. Once confirmed, the deletion process will commence. You will receive a notification once the deletion is successfully completed. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your data status. For any issues or questions, consult the Help Center or contact support. This concludes the activation process for data export and deletion with DeleteMe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.